Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to introduce you to the Smart Air Pump T10 by ASMAX. I was sent this about a month ago to test out, and I've been using it. And I got to tell you, this thing is far better than all of the air pumps that I've used in the past. I'm really super excited about this thing. So the pump itself has a super rugged design, but it's still lightweight. It has a very long life battery. It has 4 preset inflation modes, one for car, motorcycle, bicycle, and like your household football, basketball, stuff like that, with preset inflation rates that you can adjust as well. It has an auto shut-off mode, so you don't go to use it one day and find out that the battery has died. It can also be used as a power bank, and it has a 3-function LED light, a flashlight, strobe light, and even an SOS function. Using the pump is simple. You just pull the unit out of the carrying bag, and the pump uses a 90-degree or quarter turn to attach the inflation hose to the unit. Like I said, I am really very happy with this pump. If you're in the market for a wireless air pump to take on your motorcycle adventures or whatever else you need a wireless air pump for, check out the ASMAX. I think you're really going to like it.